What if I told you that in investing, being smarter is not always better? In fact, some of the most intelligent people still lose money. Not because they do not understand finance, but because they do not understand patience. And Warren Buffett has a lesson about this that can completely change the way you think about wealth. Because according to Buffett, the market does something very simple. It transfers money from the impatient to the patient. Think about that. Not from the dumb to the smart, not from the uneducated to the educated, from the impatient to the patient. And that is exactly why so many people struggle to build wealth. Today, we are breaking down two of Buffett's most powerful ideas. Patience beats intelligence, and wealth is simple, not easy. And trust me, the second one hits harder than most people realize. Let's start with patience. Most people think success in investing comes from prediction. They think the winners are the people who can forecast the next market crash, spot the next hot stock, or make the perfect trade at the perfect time. But Buffett's success tells a different story. He did not build his fortune by constantly chasing excitement. He built it by staying rational while other people became emotional. That is the real edge, because the market is full of emotional people. People buy when everyone is hyped. People panic when prices fall. People jump from one trend to the next, always looking for something faster, something bigger, something immediate. And that impatience destroys them. They want wealth now. They want proof now. They want results now. But wealth does not usually reward urgency. It rewards endurance. That is why patience beats intelligence, because an average investor with discipline can outperform a brilliant investor with no emotional control. Let me say that again. An average investor with discipline can beat a brilliant investor with no patience. Why? Because intelligence can make you overconfident. It can make you think you need to outsmart the market. Patience, on the other hand, makes you stay grounded. It makes you stick to the plan. It makes you hold when others are quitting. And in the long run, that behavior matters more than cleverness. Now here is where the lesson gets even deeper. Buffett also teaches that wealth is simple, not easy. That line sounds small, but it explains why most people fail. Because if we are being honest, the formula for building wealth is not complicated. Spend less than you earn. Invest the difference. Buy assets, not liabilities. Stay consistent. Avoid unnecessary debt. Give compounding time to work. That is it. That is the formula. Simple, but not easy. And that is where people get stuck. Because simple does not mean emotionally comfortable. Simple does not mean fast. Simple does not mean exciting. Saving money is simple. But doing it when you want to spend is hard. Investing regularly is simple. But doing it during a market crash is hard. Holding for the long term is simple. But ignoring fear, noise, and comparison for years is hard. That is the difference. Most people are not defeated by complexity. They are defeated by inconsistency. They quit too early. They get distracted too easily. They abandon the plan because the process feels boring. But boring is often where wealth is built. That is something people do not talk about enough. Real wealth often looks repetitive. It looks like passing on impulse purchases. It looks like monthly investing. It looks like staying calm when headlines scream panic. It looks like doing the same smart things over and over again, even when it feels like nothing is happening. And that is exactly why so few people get rich. Because everyone wants the prize, but very few people want the process. Everyone loves the idea of wealth. Very few love the discipline required to build it. And this is where Buffett's lesson becomes powerful. He reminds us that you do not need a complicated system. You need strong behavior. You do not need to be the smartest. You need to be the steadiest. You do not need constant action. You need consistent action. That is the game. And once you understand that, everything changes. You stop chasing shortcuts. You stop looking for magic formulas. You stop thinking wealth is about luck. And you start realizing that wealth is mostly built through repeated decisions. Small decisions, quiet decisions, unimpressive decisions. But over time, those decisions become a completely different life. That is the power of compounding. Not just compounding money, compounding behavior, compounding discipline, compounding patience. So if you take one thing from this video, let it be this. The market rewards patience more than brilliance. And wealth is simple, but it is not easy. If you can master that, you are already ahead of most people. Because in the end, wealth does not belong to the loudest person, or the fastest person, or even the smartest person. It usually belongs to the person who can stay calm, stay disciplined, and stay consistent long enough. That is the real formula. If you want more content on wealth, investing, and timeless money lessons, subscribe now. Because on this channel, we keep money simple, and we build wealth the smart way. Wealth is simple. The hard part is becoming the person who can wait for it.